Today's video is on the top 3 best ice skates for beginners. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Fifth Element Grace Ice Skates for women. Looking for ice skates that offer both premium quality and top-notch comfort. The Fifth Element Grace Ice Skating Shoes for women have you covered. These skates are built for performance with features you'll love, whether you're a beginner or intermediate skater. The tongue is lightly padded and cold resistant, ensuring your feet stay warm and cozy during those long hours on the ice. Inside you'll find a soft tricot lining that adds an extra layer of comfort. And let's not forget the stainless steel blade. It gives you precise edge control, helping you glide smoothly and make sharp turns effortlessly. Worried about finding the right fit? No need. These women's figure skates are designed to fit true to shoe size, so you can expect a comfortable fit from the start. With reinforced lace eyelets, 3 lace hooks, and 10mm polyester white laces, you can easily adjust the skates to wrap around your foot like a glove. That snug, secure fit gives you the confidence to push yourself, whether you're perfecting your spins or mastering your speed on the rink. When it comes to comfort, these skates are in a league of their own. The polyester lining inside provides warmth, which is essential when you're skating in colder conditions. Plus, the tricot-lined footbed adds extra comfort and support for your feet. It's also removable, giving you the flexibility to add custom orthotic support if needed. That means you can tweak the fit to suit your needs, making these skates not just stylish, but incredibly practical. The blades are where these skates truly shine. Made from high-quality stainless steel, they're durable and designed to last. The toe pick helps with quick starts and precise movements, whether you're skating in a straight line or practicing your jumps. These blades are perfect for women, girls, and kids who want to excel in figure skating, providing smooth glides and fast strides that will have you moving across the ice with ease. Let's not forget the design. These skates come in a classic white that never goes out of style. The sleek white boots and matching white laces give them a timeless look that works for both practice sessions and competitions. Whether you're skating recreationally or getting ready for a big event, these skates will make you look and feel like a pro. Available in sizes 6 through 10, they cater to both women and girls, making them a versatile option for any age. Overall, the Fifth Element Grace Ice Skates are perfect for beginner to intermediate skaters looking for a balance of performance, comfort, and style. Whether you're out for a casual skate or working on your figure skating routines, these skates will help you do it with grace and confidence. Tap that subscribe button like you're trying to balance on one skate for the first time. Number 2, best overall, Jackson Classic Women Ice Skates. Looking for a pair of skates that offer light recreational support without sacrificing comfort or durability? These skates might just be the perfect fit for you. They're designed with reinforced coated vinyl uppers, which provide extra strength to withstand all your skating adventures. The rolled collar and padded lining add a layer of comfort, ensuring that your feet won't experience any irritation even after extended use. Whether you're skating for fun or just starting, these features make a noticeable difference. One of the standout details is the padded felt tongue, which offers a snug fit around your foot, providing both comfort and support. This means you can focus on enjoying your time on the ice without worrying about discomfort. The factory sharpened blade also makes these skates perfect for beginners or anyone participating in learn to skate programs. With the blade securely attached to the PVC sole with rivets, you can skate confidently, knowing your blade won't loosen or wobble. These skates are available in a girl's size 1 and come in classic white, offering a sleek and stylish look on the ice. Jackson Ultima, a global name in the world of figure skating, brings their deep expertise and passion for the sport to these skates. Known for manufacturing high-quality figure skates, boots, and blades, Jackson Ultima is committed to creating products that enhance the performance of skaters at every level. Whether you're a competitive skater or just someone who enjoys a leisurely glide around the rink, Jackson Ultima has a range of options designed to fit your needs. Their dedication to blending advanced technology with comfort is evident in every product, and these skates are no exception. Part of Jackson Ultima's Classic series, these skates are built with durability in mind. The reinforced vinyl-coated uppers not only provide strength, but also give the skates the ability to hold up under regular use. Durability doesn't stop at the upper part of the skate. Reinforced eyelets help ensure that the laces stay secure, adding to the long-lasting performance of these skates. Another great feature of the Classic series is the maintenance-free PVC sole, which not only looks stylish, but is also designed for convenience. You won't have to worry about constant upkeep, and with the Mark II or Mark I blades securely riveted in place, you'll have the added security and stability needed for a smooth glide on the ice. Whether you're practicing for a competition or just skating for fun, these skates are a reliable option that combines classic style with modern features to enhance your skating experience. Number 1, our pick, Jackson Ultima Women Ice Skates. Looking for figure skates that give you that pro-level look and feel while still being perfect for beginners? The Jackson Ultima XL Vinyl Upper Lace-Up Figure. Ice skates could be exactly what you're after. With a sleek design that combines style and comfort, these skates make learning to glide on the ice smooth and enjoyable. The Jackson XL is equipped with the Mark II high-polished blade, offering a sharp professional appearance. Paired with a stylish brown PVC outsole, these skates don't just perform well, they look the part too. But it's not just about appearances. Inside the skates, you'll find a synthetic liner and high-quality foam padding designed to keep your feet warm and cozy, which is crucial when you're out on the ice for a while. The comfort doesn't stop there. The foam even lines the underside of the tongue, ensuring your feet are cushioned from every angle, top to bottom. And here's the best part. These skates come with blades included. No need to buy separate blades or worry about installation. The Ultima Mark II blade comes attached with screws and features a high polish finish, making these skates ready for action as soon as you lace them up. Whether you're practicing your first steps or starting to explore more advanced moves, these blades will give you the support and precision you need. Now, let's talk a little about the brand behind these skates. Jackson Ultima is not just another name in the skating world. They're a global leader. Known for their expertise in figure skate boots, blades, and complete skates, Jackson Ultima brings passion and dedication to every product. They are constantly innovating with advanced technology that helps the world's top skaters perform at their best. But they don't stop there. Jackson Ultima also understands the joy of skating, which is why they offer a full range of recreational and leisure skates that are perfect for anyone, whether you're a beginner or just skating for fun. And guess what? Just like the product mentioned earlier, these Jackson Ultima skates are from the same trusted brand. Why? Because they're simply that good. When it comes to quality skates, the best options are often limited, and Jackson Ultima consistently delivers on both performance and comfort. So if you're looking for a solid pair of skates to start your ice skating journey, it's no surprise that Jackson Ultima tops the list. Again, if you're looking for men's ice skates, don't forget to check out the video above for some great options tailored just for you. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.